Choosing a legal partner for a mesothelioma case is one of the most important decisions your family will ever make, especially in the complex legal landscape of 2026. You are not just looking for a lawyer, but for a dedicated advocate who can navigate billions of dollars in asbestos trust funds and the intricacies of high-stakes trial litigation. Today, we are providing a comprehensive guide on the exact questions you must ask before signing any contract to ensure you are hiring a top-rated trial lawyer who puts your family first. The first and most critical question is about their specific experience with mesothelioma cases, because this is not a general personal injury practice. You must ask how many mesothelioma cases they have handled specifically and how many of those cases they have actually taken to a jury trial. Many firms claim to be experts, but they are actually settlement mills that avoid the courtroom at all costs, which can significantly lower the value of your compensation. A true top-rated trial lawyer is one that the asbestos companies are afraid of, because they know the lawyer is ready and willing to present your story to a jury. You should also ask if asbestos litigation is the primary focus of their firm, or if they handle many different types of cases. In 2026, the most successful results come from firms that dedicate 100% of their resources to asbestos victims, because they maintain the most extensive databases of job sites and products and corporate evidence. Next, you must ask about the resources they have available to investigate your specific exposure history. A top-tier firm should have an in-house team of investigators and researchers who can trace your work history back 40 or 50 years to pinpoint the exact products that caused your illness. Ask them if they have a database of testimony from former coworkers or industrial hygiene experts who can testify on your behalf. Another vital question involves the team that will actually be working on your case. You should ask if the senior partner you are meeting with is the one who will be representing you in court, or if your case will be handed off to a junior associate. You deserve personalized attention and a clear line of communication with the lead trial attorney. You should also ask if the firm has on-staff nurses or medical experts who can help you understand your diagnosis and coordinate with your healthcare team. In 2026, the best law firms provide holistic support that goes beyond just the legal paperwork. Now let us talk about the financial side by asking about their fee structure. A top-rated mesothelioma lawyer will always work on a contingency fee basis, which means you pay absolutely nothing upfront, and they only get paid if they successfully recover money for you. You must ask for a clear explanation of what percentage they will take, and if there are any other costs like court filing fees or expert witness fees that you might be responsible for if the case is unsuccessful. Most top firms will cover all these costs themselves, so your family takes on zero financial risk. You should also ask about the timeline of the process and how they plan to expedite your claim, especially if your health is declining rapidly. In 2026, many states have special procedures for mesothelioma patients to fast-track their cases, and you need a lawyer who knows how to use these laws to your advantage. Ask them about their success rate with both out-of-court settlements and asbestos trust fund claims, because there is over $30 billion in these trusts. You want a lawyer who knows how to maximize payouts from multiple sources simultaneously. You should also ask for references or testimonials from previous clients who had similar exposure stories or the same type of mesothelioma, whether it is pleural or peritoneal. Hearing about the experiences of other families can give you peace of mind that you are making the right choice. Do not be afraid to ask the lawyer what sets them apart from the hundreds of other firms you see on television or the internet. A reputable attorney will be transparent about their record and will not make empty promises about specific dollar amounts early in the process. They should, however, be able to explain their strategy for holding the specific companies responsible for your exposure accountable. In 2026, the best lawyers are those who combine aggressive legal tactics with genuine compassion for the families they represent. They should be willing to travel to your home to meet with you so you do not have to endure the stress of traveling to an office. Finally, ask them how they handle veterans' claims because many mesothelioma victims served in the military and are entitled to specialized benefits in addition to their legal recovery. A lawyer who understands the nexus between military service and asbestos exposure can help you secure an extra layer of financial protection. By asking these detailed questions, you are taking control of your legal journey and ensuring that your family is represented by the very best in the field. Thank you for watching this Mesobook guide, and we hope this empowers you to find the justice and compensation you deserve in 2026. When you are facing a mesothelioma diagnosis in 2026, the legal decisions you make today will define the financial security of your family for decades to come. We are exploring the critical differences between general practitioners and top-rated national mesothelioma trial lawyers and exactly what you need to ask to ensure your case is in the most capable hands. The first major point of discussion is the benefit of a national firm versus a local one. You must ask if the firm has a nationwide reach and whether they have successfully litigated cases in multiple states across the country. Asbestos exposure often happens in one state while the companies responsible are headquartered in another, and the victim may have retired in a third location. A national firm in 2026 has the resources to file your claim in the specific jurisdiction that offers the most favorable laws and the fastest trial dates, which can make a difference of millions of dollars in your final recovery. Ask the lawyer how they plan to investigate your case and if they have a dedicated in-house team of investigators who specialize in industrial archives. In 2026, top-rated firms maintain proprietary databases that track thousands of job sites from shipyards to power plants to automotive factories, and they can often identify the asbestos products you were exposed to even if you cannot remember the brand names yourself. You should also ask specifically about their recent trial results from the last 12 to 24 months. While settlements are common, you want a lawyer who has a proven track record of securing what the industry calls nuclear verdicts in 2026, which are awards exceeding $10 or $20 million. These large verdicts are essential because they force insurance companies to offer higher settlements to other families in the future. Ask if the firm has experience with the newest trends in asbestos litigation, such as cosmetic talc cases and secondary exposure claims, which are becoming much more common this year. Another vital question is about the level of medical support the firm provides. In 2026, top-rated mesothelioma lawyers often have on-staff nurses and medical experts who can review your pathology reports and help you gain access to the most advanced clinical trials. Ask them how they will coordinate with your doctors to ensure that your legal case never interferes with your medical treatment. You should also ask about the specific attorney who will be trying your case if it goes to a jury. You want to ensure that your lead counsel has decades of experience in the courtroom and is not just a spokesperson. For a large marketing firm, transparency regarding fees is another essential topic. In 2026, every reputable mesothelioma lawyer works on a contingency fee basis.